How to cancel Microsoft 365 subscription. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel Microsoft 365 subscription. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step you will need to take is open up your web browser and simply search for Microsoft. So let me just do that again. Head over to Microsoft.com. After that, make sure you're logged in into your account. You can tap on the sign in option on the top right to sign in into your account. So let's sign in first. So make sure that you're signing into the account of which you want to cancel the subscription from. So after you've signed in, what you can then do is tap on your profile icon on the top right corner right here, and then tap on My Microsoft account. After you tap on My Microsoft account, it will redirect you to another page like this. Now it's account.microsoft.com. You can go there directly yourself as well if you want to. So after this page loads, what you'll then need to do is there you'll see the subscription section right here. After you see the subscription section, you can head over to manage the subscription. Now, since I don't have the subscription, I cannot go there, but you can simply tap on manage subscription. You'll see the manage option. So let me just tap over here. And after you're on manage subscription for Microsoft 365, you'll simply find a cancel subscription button. Tap on the cancel subscription button and you'll have canceled your Microsoft 365 subscription. It's basically that simple. And that is all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.